Hey guys, in today's video we'll take a look at the new Sonos Era 300, a premium design speaker that can transform your home into a spatial audio sanctuary and can be the cornerstone of your Sonos system. The Sonos Era 300 was released in 2023 and it is designed for home use, being easy to integrate with your existing Sonos products, including soundbars. Plus, Dolby Atmos support lets you make the most of Dolby Atmos music on eligible streaming platforms like Apple Music. Era 300 has a refined design and is made of high-quality materials. The speaker measures 6.3 inches in height, 10.24 inches in width, and 7.28 inches in depth, having a total weight of 9.9 pounds. It is available for purchase in two colors, black or white. My recommendation would be to choose the white version, because with black, you can face fingerprints, plus it collects dust quickly. The Era 300 is designed for home use, and it isn't meant to be taken with you outdoors. It has to stay connected to a power source to work. Looking at the design of the speaker, it's mostly made of plastic, including the grills covering the drivers inside. On the top are the easy-to-use touch volume control buttons. Also, you can find the touch button for on, off, or navigating between audio tracks. On the back of the speaker is the Bluetooth connection button, being a first for Sonos-powered speakers, the 220 volts power plug, the physical microphone mute button, and audio input via USB-C port. The Era 300 features 6 speakers, arranged so that the sound is directed towards the listener. The speaker has 2 woofers for low sounds, 2 tweeters for high sounds, and 2 more tweeters for medium and high frequencies and for sound clarity. When it comes to the features, the Era 300 is a powered speaker equipped with Wi-Fi 6 on the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency bands and Bluetooth 5.0. It also has the possibility of connecting an audio source via the USB-C input. The speaker supports Dolby Atmos and spatial audio standards, which promise superior audio quality. However, Dolby Atmos audio content is still limited, even for streaming services like Apple Music, Tidal, Deezer, and others. You can use voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Sonos Voice Control, but functionality is limited. The Sonos app allows control of the speaker through an easy-to-use and intuitive menu. Here you can connect all your favorite audio streaming services like Tidal, Apple Music, Spotify, TuneIn Radio, Audible, and more. The app also provides access to Sonos Radio, where you can listen to high-quality radio stations from around the world. If you connect the speaker through the Sonos app, you'll be able to control volume, play, pause, and adjust the equalizer for treble, bass, and loudness mode. The True Play function allows you to configure the audio signature of the speaker depending on its location in the room. This feature, which was previously only available for Apple devices, has been extended to Android devices as well. Using the phone's microphone, the speaker will detect the reverberating sound in the room and self-adjust to achieve optimal audio quality. The Sonos app also lets you create listening zones by combining multiple Sonos products in different rooms. The Era 300 is also Airplay 2 compatible, making it easy to stream content from Apple devices. When it comes to the sound delivered by this speaker, the Era 300 highlights, like we've already mentioned, support for Dolby audio and spatial audio, big promises that are delivered as expected in this case. Spatial audio is not just a gimmick on the front speaker. In combination with Dolby Atmos, I can say that the speaker releases the magic. With the tracks placed one after the other, with and without spatial audio checked in the Sonos app, the difference is clearly felt with 360 degrees of sound, even if you are a considerable distance from the speaker. It's a boost to the audio experience you've known before, and sound comes from every direction. It's a special audio experience that will captivate you and make you wonder how you never knew such a thing existed before. An unexpected sound on speakers, not just headphones. The sound quality is to be appreciated, especially considering the compact dimensions of the speaker. It is well balanced between high, medium, and low frequencies, and the bass is strong even at low volumes. If you want to have an authentic surround experience, you will be able to use 2 Era 300 speakers. What's more, you also have the option of setting up a full 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos system, combining 2 Era 300 speakers, a Sub-Mini, and a Beam 2 or ARC soundbar to recreate a cinema-like audio experience. Listening to different genres of music such as hip-hop, house, and chill, the sound produced by the Era 300 lives up to expectations, filling the room and providing excellent acoustics regardless of the listener's position. Spatial audio and Dolby Atmos, plus an audio streaming service that gives you one-touch access to such content, make all the money. This relatively compact front speaker delivers a top-quality product, excellently built and with great attention to detail. The premium experience starts right from the unboxing. The Sonos Era 300 speaker ticking off all the aspects that turn it into an ideal speaker for your home. You can also boost the sound in your home by pairing with other Sonos products. As strengths, we have the spatial audio sound, the flexible level of connectivity, and the premium design. The Sonos Era 300 is a starting point for a speaker that will integrate harmoniously into a top audio system. If the budget is not an issue, and you want to experience spatial audio in top quality, then the Sonos Era 300 is the best speaker on the market that you can opt for. For buying options and more information about the Sonos Era 300, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.